Hello YouTube, this is a better update on my workstation build. I did the last one kind of bad, as Pilot Joe pointed out, and he's very right. I did the video too badly. And thanks man for pointing that out, and this is a new one, I hope. First off, we got 3 burners. The top 2 are DVD burners, serial 8A, parallel 8A, and this is a CD burner, parallel 8A too. So inside of here we got the E6300 CPU, Core 2 Duo. We got 4 gigs of memory, 667 megahertz. I gotta go up to 800, I think. It's not really that big of an issue, but I hope I'm not holding the microphone shut, so I hope you can hear me. So that is not that big of an issue. The 9800 GX2 asus, this is inserted here. This will go into this build. It actually is very large, this card, but really this is a good card. This will go in my workstation because I got the 295s going in the gaming rig. This is a 7900 GS 256 megs. This is of course 1 gig. This card will power the other 2 screens. I have a tri-screen setup, as you can see over here. 1 screen, 2 screens, and 3 screens, and a laptop. This is my current workstation and my backup drives. Enough with that, back to the real deal. Here we obviously got 2 blue cathodes, cold cathodes. Yeah, they are cold. Here we got some SATA cables. They are going into the small holes that I have no fucking clue what those holes are made for, but they fit SATA cables perfectly, so I use them. And the IDE ribbon goes behind the motherboard plate. This is for the hard drive LED 2. Can I get a focus on that? No? Yeah. So the power supply is to weak the power this, obviously, since I need to change it out. It got built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. It got a very nice motherboard, Asus P5N. P5B deluxe. So P5B deluxe is the motherboard. Still quite expensive. And on this side we got some cables. So this I did today. I routed this cable. I hope the chassis plate will close because this is on the outside, and I hope that cable will get damaged. This still has to be soldered down, and here will the front fan go. So I have that laying on the back over here. The back fan and the side fans, the side fan cabling will be routed through this hole over here, routed down here, and will come out probably the lower hole here, if I can get it in there, or it will come out on the side over here like the cold cathodes do. Other than that, I don't think I can tie this down too hard because, yeah, you might be able to see it better. It has a little bit of flex, 1 millimeter. I doubt that will be an issue really because things are stable enough. And I also noticed the pins on the cards are coming out this side. That's normal. I have no really idea what to say more, really. The power supply will be changed. I need to get a burner, a fourth burner to fill up the hole over here. Then the front panel connectors will go here. No, not the front panel connectors. The fan switch for high and low RPMs. So actually this is called an inverter. So yeah, this is my build so far. I need to raise money for the power supply. I sold this old piece of crap today. I hope I get somewhere around $50 for it. I will sell some more old crap. So, oh, I got a fan. A dirty fan that will need some cleaning, but it fits over here. So, parts are falling together slowly, but they are still falling together. I tested all the drives. They are all good in this computer. Now the issue is finding one for this again, since I nicked that one. But yeah, the scratch on the case is still not fixed. I need to do that. But yeah, this is an update on my build so far. The Core i7 is still not built, obviously. Maybe we can get a view inside of there. Power supply cables that has gone to my old power supply, the Corsair 1000 watt. I will probably get a new one since I have the cables. So yeah. All the panels are not painted yet, but the one that goes on this side is painted, but the top panel is not painted, so I cannot. When I set the top one down here, I can set the side one on, but since the side one is only painted and the top one is not, I can't really screw the side one in. And this hole was perfect for routing SATA cables too. Also cable management on the back. And that is it, I think. So stay tuned, everyone. Rebel Tech. Please subscribe YouTube and take care, y'all. Bye, everyone.